Hey beauty bears, Waah Gwaan, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm back with another interesting video. If you guys haven't heard about Russian French, these are they're very cute. So today I'll be attempting it. I never thought in a million years that I would have gotten around to doing the Russian French, because when they do it on like Instagram, this Instagram trends, you'll see them like, bruh, how do you do that? Like, no, I'm already complicated to begin with, so I'm not going to attempt it. But today is the day that I will attempt the Russian French, and I'll also be helping you, assisting you guys to better yourself in doing the Russian French. I mean, the Russian French is not something that you will be doing every day, but you know, you have that unique client that may come in and was like, okay, I want some Russian French. Yeah. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm creating a line to kind of guide me to creating that Russian French right there. So I did some indents into the form, so I squeeze it, rub my nails alongside it so you can see the lines to where I must work in. So I found that very easy. So I also will be working with the last line on the form, which is a guide also. So there, so don't complicate the thing. Squeeze it. The free edge area is a little thicker than the tip of the thing of the form, so I squeeze the form at the tip of the form tight, and then the free edge, because you know you have to mold the nails. I mean, the free edge of the form is, you can't do much to it, you can't go any smaller than it, because you need to, for it to fit the nail, right? So I know I'm taking the nude. I mix these colors. These are nude peach and dark nude. It's really irrelevant, right? So but yeah, so what I'm doing the 3-ball method to create this, because I am not quite sure, you know, how it's going to look. So it's rather to be safe. I mean, if you guys are okay with a 1 bead ball method, it's fine. A 2-ball, I am comfortable more with a 3-ball, because this is my very first time attempting the this is my 3rd time attempting it, so I want to be in the safe zone for right now. So I'll be doing the 3-ball method. I'll do one at the free edge, one in the apex area, and then one in the cuticle area. So now that I've applied the acrylic, what I'll be doing is I'll be going in when the acrylic is just between hardening and soft, so it creates a better smile line for you guys, or for anybody who is doing this. So I like to go in when it's between that that stage. So I'll go in with my 360 emery board. This is a lifesaver. It creases up my work so much, and I am really happy that my sibling gave it to me. It was a good gift. good gift. So I went in, straightened those smile lines, and then I'm about to go in with the white, because I'm creating the Russian French nails. So you don't necessarily have to go in with white, you can still continue on with the color of your choice, so it doesn't matter what you want to. So I'm going in with the white. So I'm going where I crease the line on the form. I am working within that space, so it's much more easy for me not to do so much of overlapping. So I did one side first, and then I proceeded on the other side. You know, sir, the left side of your work is the left side, or the right side of your work is always going to be a little bit different from the other side of your work. The side that you're more comfortable with is going to look very different. Yeah, very different. So it was a little bit difficult working on this side, as you guys can see. So as I said, I worked in the line where I crease, so it's a kind of a guideline. So I use the last line on the form as a mark to where I should stop, and then I follow the creasing of the pointed part of the French. So what I really do like about this French is that it gives the illusion of a stiletto. So if you're looking from above POV, it looks like a stiletto, but when you turn it to the side, I mean, This is where you have trust issues, bro. Trust issues. So yeah, these are bum nails, cute nails. I've been seeing them for some time now, and it's like, no, this is not my tea. And so I decided to do it today. Why not? Why not today? This is a question that you need to ask yourself. Anything that you're doing, why not you? Why not today? Why not now? So today's the day that I attempt to doing the Russian French, which was really fun. I must say, really fun to do. So now I'm taking my e-file, going over those nails. Before I, straighten up the lines underneath, I will remove the excess product on top of the nails. So I'm going in with my nail file, my e-file, the Melody Susies, and removing that extra product off the nail. Filing the nails, I'm not necessarily filing on top of the nails, but I'm filing alongside it, just like what I'm doing right here. I'm not to give it a certain definition. The nail is more of a pointed at the top. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. You see where I explained that it gives you the point of view of a stiletto when it's really not a stiletto. To achieve that, you have to file the sides of the nail instead of going from side to side to side to side for over the nail. Like a barrel, you're rolling the emery board, so you have to file straight if you feel comfortable doing that way, or you can file up and down, up and down, up and down, whichever way that you're comfortable with. I'll be showing you in the different ways that you can do it. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, so you guys can watch to see what I'm talking about. And now take my buffing block and go over the entirety of the nails at the pointed around every part that you can think of. I am buffing that nails to ensure that it's smooth and nice for the top coat application. So just before I do the top coat application, I will wipe off the nails with some alcohol, ensure that the surface is smooth, everywhere is clean, there's no residue on the nails or underneath the nails. Ensuring that the nail is clean. So now I'll be taking two Sharpies. I'll be using green and blue, and then I'll be using acetone to kind of ink out these markers on the nail, and I'll be using my polygel brush. I use my polygel brush for everything, literally everything. I need to get one more. I need to purchase one off Amazon because it works pretty well with basically everything that I do here. So then I'll go in with the use the polygel brush and dip it in the acetone to ink out these nails to get a marbling effect. It was so gorgeous, guys. So gorgeous. And after that, I will top coat the nail and then add some blings, and that's about it. I really did enjoy this set. I hope you guys tried it out. If you do, you can snap a picture, send me or DM me on Instagram. Yes, DM me on Instagram and show me and tag me in the picture. We go from there. So ensure you're following me on Instagram though. Yes, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and ensure you tap the bell just beside that subscribe button so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week. Every week. I don't have a designated time to post things, so ensure the notification is turned, the bell is turned on. And guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.